I'm not sure if I will post all this section.
And red chili powder.
रेड चिली पाउडर आपके स्पाइस लेवल्स के हिसाब से या
May, June, July, that's that.
नॉट मेजर सी यू बाय आज मम्मीज किचन में क्या बनने वाला है?
ब्रेड पकोड़ा.
ब्रेड पकौड़ा. ओके देखो छोटा सा कियान भी आ गया है रेसिपी
Hi.
देखने के लिए. यस बेसन है.
You like?
I don't know. I don't remember me eating.
या सो जस्ट अपने अंदाजे से वी आर पुटिंग बेसन राइट.
But I took 4 tablespoon now.
या
For little crispiness, 1 tablespoon rice flour I take. More crispiness you want, then you can take little more rice flour.
What is it?
ही वांट्स इट टू बी मोर क्रिस्पी.
We'll try one. Then we'll put more. Okay?
हींग डालेंगे डाइजेशन के लिए अच्छा होता है. सो वी मोस्टली यूज
As
हींग.
per taste,
या
not too much. कड़वा होएगा नहीं. And red chili powder.
रेड चिली पाउडर आपके स्पाइस लेवल्स के हिसाब से. या
I'm taking only this much because of Kia.
Huh?
Yeah, for you. This is too much, Babu. Do you?
I don't like that much. Put little back inside.
लिटिल बैक इनसाइड. छोटा सा डायरेक्टर इधर खड़े होके सब डायरेक्शन दे रहा है. हल्दी
ये
पाउडर.
powder.
वी यूजुअली हैव द पिंक सॉल्ट बट हम लोग यूज
But
कर रहे हैं.
actually, in pink salt there is no. It's not iodized, so we should use this also.
Yeah, sometimes use pink salt, sometimes use the iodized namak.
Otherwise, thyroid issues may come. For some people, we do.
On May, June, July, that's that.
Not major.
Correct. Now pour little water.
How should the consistency be?
Yeah, that we can see.
Okay.
See, this is little liquidy only now. Put our
So
besan
just
and
mix it for 10 hours. Put it.
now I'm making very little only. Yeah.
Yeah. Very little, just for evening snack.
Evening snack, what?
Yeah. Kian is just back from school.
Yeah, I just ate my food.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
now it's my snack, so I'm eating this.
Mm.
The powder basin fell there.
It's okay, Kian. We'll clean it in the end.
Yeah. Now it will be little messy only.
You will clean it, Kian?
I am the perfect job for that.
Yes.
that is
He
right.
loves cleaning. From childhood, he likes to clean. In any hotel.
I'm cleaning with like when I was 3.
Yeah. Smaller than 3. When we went to one hotel also, you were cleaning their mirrors.
But then that means that when I was 1.
Yeah, 1.5. 1.5.
This is
Just show it once. How's the consistency? Yeah, okay.
Some people make more thick, but then batter will be very thick and that material.
The coating
Yeah.
of the bread will be too thick. There. Kian ka favorite dance. You enjoy going to school? Online was boring, right?
Very boring.
Yeah. So why we are putting this oil in this?
I don't know.
Because to get fluffy.
Okay. So instead of baking soda, we can put this warm oil.
Yeah.
Why do you want it to be fluffy?
Not like that much fluffy.
Slightly. And then mix it again.
Yeah.
Cutting the bread.
It looks so.
4
it's-
pieces, huh?
Okay.
Make it
Otherwise,
into
you can use like this also.
Single.
Yeah.
single. Or make it into 2. Or you
Yeah.
can make it into 1.
As per your convenience. We are also going to cut some onions into small pieces and add into this besan batter. No?
Which all food you like, Kian? Which all snack you like?
I like, of course, man knows one.
What is that?
10.
Starts with what letter?
It starts on P.
Pani puri.
Pani puri is one, but one more. I every time eat in movie night.
Popcorn.
Popcorn is also one.
God.
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay.
Mm.
We're putting this into the
Batter.
besan batter. So now we'll start frying. Just place the bread into the besan batter.
You can use the chili powder for this recipe.
दोनों तरफ अच्छा गोल्डन ब्राउन होना है ना?
Yeah. Now only that besan has to be cooked. No,
Yeah, bread is already
It should be
cooked.
golden white actually.
Besan has to cook
And
nicely.
That's golden brown.
But this is a nice snack. Also, in the end, when we garnish it with little chaat masala powder on top, I like that also. For people who like thoda khatta,
Yeah.
you can garnish it with thoda
I
sa
love
chaat.
khatta.
Yeah. Ian is the biggest critic here. First, he will see everything, the shape, the size. Then he'll say how it
What does
is.
critic mean?
Critic means who gives the toughest reviews.
of onion na plain if you do, then it will be neat and tidy.
Mhm.
Onion is coming na.
But the crunch that the onion gives, it's really nice. It adds one flavor. People who don't like onion, yeah, you can. Without that also, it's good. But
I
onion lovers, nothing like it.
Who's the raw onion lovers?
There are many.
I mean, like
Non-veg
onion lovers, they
and
love raw onion.
Yeah, many
Also,
people
eat
they eat raw
non-veg.
onion with their food, with their lunch, with their dinner.
But
They like to have it
everything,
with everything. Yeah.
raw onion.
Next batch
They love
fry हो रहा है.
onions. You love onion, huh?
Yeah, I love it in my pani puri, in my chole, in my pav bhaji.
Yeah, I love it in everything.
Yeah.
Mm.
What about you?
I love it like on burgers,
Okay.
pizzas.
सेकेंड बैच भी रेडी और हम लोग ब्राउन ब्रेड यूज करते हैं घर पे सो इफ यू ऑल आर यूज टू मेकिंग ईटिंग वाइट ब्रेड देन यू ऑल कैन use white bread so any type of bread will do but I think multigrain will not taste that
Yeah,
good
yeah. And white bread tastes more.
really better yeah
Multi-green, I don't know. What's multi-green bread?
multigrain it has various grains what is that Kian
Nothing.
don't break it get down a crack has come on that dhakkan
Batter
this is the
also.
last bread
Yeah.
and little batter so she's just squashing the bread into the batter
Yeah.
and then
But I
Bhajia only. But the last bread goes for waste, na. So we can use this.
like vadas
come.
and then you're putting in the oil okay
I'll take it.
so this will also actually taste the same only no
Ah, yeah.
finally we are plating this
Bread pakoda.
yes it's ready and just plating it
Few moments later.
This is bread toast.
bread pakoda Kian you also taste
Nice.
nice
What you are eating? Bread pakoda only, na?
yeah that's in one
Yum.
Yeah. And we're
Yum.
eating it.
yum Bujke is keeping it
Because his stomach
is full he just had lunch
Ah, he had dal.
so you can tell the subscribers to make this recipe
Yeah. Make it.
make it
It tastes very good.
crunchy
Soft. Everything.
Lovely.
you all can eat this with chutney add little chaat masala powder on top I'm going to do that because I like thoda khatta so it's really good you all can try it
Next day.
Hello.
You hold
Titanic
You
preparation
hold them.
almost done finally his project sneezing bless you wow nice
It's all stuck.
show properly turn around nice good
Put in that hole, bus.
see you bye
7 hours later.
Helping to fix this thing. This is for the toilet.
Much later.
मैं अभी ऑफिस से आ गई हूँ और कियान को लेके हम पार्क आए हैं. तो आई हैव नॉट रिमूव्ड माय मेकअप, जस्ट आई जस्ट चेंज्ड एंड सीधा आ गए. तो कियान अभी खेल रहा है. So I just thought I'll have a chit chat with you guys. I have uploaded my latest singing video as a short, so do have a look and let me know whether you liked it. Also, I had a few suggestions about uploading Get Ready With Me. Okay, sunlight यहाँ पे better है यार. About uploading the Get Ready With Me videos along with the products. So I have done that as a short form. In case you all want more of such videos, do let me know. So in the comment section, and I'll be doing that. यहाँ पे also there is a water park. मैं आपको वो दिखाती हूँ. ये छोटा सा वाटर पार्क बनाया हुआ है. छोटा सा एक पार्क है, वाटर पार्क. So the kids can, the nearby buildings can come and have fun. For now, it's free of cost. But just a small bucket is there and दो slides हैं. Babies के लिए एक अलग सा section है. So it's really nice. So cute park. छोटा सा play area type है and also this water park. So every day after school, Kian does his studies थोड़ा सा and then हम उसको ऑफिस से आने के बाद यहाँ पे लेकर आते हैं. चलते चलते I was just humming the song that I uploaded, the sargam of that. It's very very addictive. Nire dhani dhani sa, nire dhani dhani re, nire dhani dhani sa, re sa re, nire dhani dhani ba da, nire dhani dhani sa, nire dhani dhani re, nire dhani dhani sa. ऐसे शांति में एंड नेचर के पास बैठ के ऐसे सरगम गाना, इट्स जस्ट ब्लिस. It's so much relaxing after a tiring day. Even if you listen to good music, I think this has been a therapy for me. Singing, getting back to singing and listening to good music, soulful music. These days, yes, that's what I'm doing. It's like really helping me managing the stress, especially after the tough times that we've had in UAE, as you all might be aware. So music has really helped. As they say, music heals it all. It's really true. अभी टाइम हो गया है 6:30, लेकिन the sun is not completely set now. अभी भी अच्छा खासा लाइट है. That means summer is coming in. And थोड़ी बहुत गर्मी भी शुरू हो गई है. Now when we are traveling to office in the morning, I can really feel it. अब तक work from home था, but now we are actually going to office. So it's becoming hot now. And maybe another half an hour Kian खेलेगा और फिर हम घर जाएंगे. And let me know if you guys like this kind of chit chat sessions. Sometimes it's good, to just talk it out. I'm just talking to the camera, but I feel there is somebody listening to me and I don't know, I feel good. So, but yeah, it's making me feel good. Let me know in the comments what helps you guys during stress. What is your mantra to heal?